button so that you'd be subscribed to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the bell icon so whenever I upload a video you will get a notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. So today in this video I'm going to teach you a very beautiful kurti embroidery design. For this I made like a V-shaped neckline and I fixed the fabric in the frame, and to the center I'm going to draw a line for 9 inches, and on either side I'm going to draw a two lines like this, and this absolutely depends upon you. If you want you can add 3 lines on either side. So I'm just drawing a 2 lines on both of the sides of the neckline. Okay, and this is the end line. So now I'm going to start from the end point, and this is called as a back stitch, and I'm using a anchor embroidery thread. Okay, I'm going to start from the down point and I'm going to go all the way up. So put a first stitch, and the back stitch is nothing but you're going to sew in the backwards like this. So this is how it's going to go. It just a very simple and very easy to make neckline, and it just came out really nice. And you can try this on a very good plain color fabric using a contrasting color thread like this. And so same like this I'm going to sew the entire line. Make sure that you punch on the exact a little bit close to the before thread like such, and you're going to repeat the same to all the lines. Okay, so this is how I'm going to sew. So if you want to purchase this RE stand with the embroidery frame, don't forget to check with the description box. I have given the Amazon link, and the material that I have used in this video, it's in the Amazon link below the description box. Please do check with that. And so little by little I'm going to finish off my back stitch like this with the black color anchor thread, and so it's going to go all the way up. So once it's completely done, you're going to add leaves on either sides of that. So what I did is take a 3 lines. So exactly on the second stitch, you're going to draw, you're going to sew the leaf like this. So take a little bit fabric like this, and you're going to wrap the embroidered thread and take out the needle. And you're going to punch the needle again to lock the stitch like such, and same I'm going to repeat on the next side of the stretch line. Believe me, it's very simple and easy. You don't want to have any embroidery, you don't want to have the knowledge of making the embroidery designs. It's a really simple and easy to make. Even beginners can try this. And you can see you're going to pull out the thread like this, and you're going to lock it on the exact point like such. So same I'm going to repeat to the entire lines. Okay, take a very little fabric and then you're going to lock it like this, and make sure that the embroidered thread is wrapped around the needle. Okay, so I'm going to end this till exactly when I get into the neckline. So once it's done, I'm going to sew this a beautiful small sugar bead kind of white beads to this. So in between the gaps I'm going to fill with this white beads to finish this design. Okay,
So it doesn't need to be in any kind of a particular point. It can be in a random way. I'm just sewing in a random way, and see, you can see that it's a very small little white color bead, and I'm going to sew this to the entire lines, in between the lines, and let me finish that soon, like such. So I'm going to add this beads till the end point like this, and once it's done, our design is ready, and you can take the fabric out of the frame and you can finish off the neckline. And this is the end result, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time. Till then, take care.